Hello students, today we are going to discuss MCQ related to control system which are important for RGPV and other university exam. First question is in an open loop control system. तो इसमें से जो right answer है B, output is dependent on control unit. You can see a block diagram of control system, open loop control system. Here output is depend on input and GS is open loop gain and input is independent of output. Second question, for open control system, which of the following statement is incorrect? Right answer is B. Recalibration is not required for maintaining the required quality of output. And correct statement related to control system, less expensive. Control system is open loop control system is less expensive. Second, construction is simple and maintenance easy. And open loop control system error are caused by disturbance. Next question, a control system in which control action is somehow dependent on the output is known as. जो राइट आंसर है इसका क्लोज लूप सिस्टम. You can see block diagram of closed loop system. This is input, output. For GS is forward gain and HS is feedback gain. So you can see that control action of closed loop system, control action is dependent on output. So write a control system in which the control action is somehow depend on the output is known as closed loop system. Third question, in closed loop control system with positive value of feedback gain, the overall gain of the system will be. So right answer is increase. Positive feedback. For positive feedback, overall gain increases, and for negative feedback, overall gain of the system will be decreases. Next question, which of the following is an open loop control system? Right answer is A, field control DC motor. In field control DC motor, output is dependent on input, so it is example of open loop control system. Next question, which of the following statement is not necessarily correct for open loop control system? Right answer is B, presence of non-linearity causes malfunctioning. Next question, in open loop system, right answer is D, in open loop system the control action is independent of output. Next question, blank has tendency to oscillate. Right answer is B, closed loop system. In closed loop system, positive feedback used for oscillation. Next question, a good control system has following feature except. Right answer is B, slow response. A good control system has following feature: good stability, good accuracy, and sufficient power handling capacity. These are features of good control system, and slow response is not feature of control system. Next question, a car is moving at constant speed 50 km per hour. Which of the following is feedback element for driver? So right answer is C, needle of speedometer. Speedometer is work as a feedback in car or motor vehicle. Next question, the initial response when tune output is not equal to input is called transient response. Transient response. Next question, a control system working under a non-random action is called. Right answer is C, stochastic control system. Next question, an automatic toaster is a blank loop control system. So automatic toaster is example of closed loop system. Automatic toaster is an practical example of closed loop system. Next question, any externally introduced signal affecting the control output is called as? Right answer is B, stimulus. Next question. A closed loop system is distinguished from open loop system by which of the following? Right answer is B, feedback. You know that feedback is used in closed loop system, and in open loop system feedback is not used. Next question. Blank is part of human temperature control system. Right answer is B, perspiration system. Next question. By which of the following the control action is determined when men walk along a path? Right answer D, eyes. Next question. Blank is closed loop system. So right answer is A, autopilot for an aircraft. In autopilot for an aircraft use closed loop system. Next question. Which of the following devices are commonly used as error detector in instrument? Right answer is D, any of the above. One state microsense resolver all are used to detect error in instruments. Next question. Which of the following should be done to make unstable system stable? Right answer is B, the gain of system should be increased. Next question. Blank increases the steady state accuracy. Right answer is A, integrator. Next question. AC servometer reassembles. Right answer A, two-phase induction motor. Next question. As a result of introduction of negative feedback, which of the following will not decreases? Right answer A. For negative feedback, oral gain decreases, distortion decreases, and instability decreases. Bandwidth is for negative feedback, bandwidth is increases. Next question. Regenerative feedback implies feedback with? Right answer D, positive sign. Next question. The output of feedback control system must be function of. So right answer is A, reference and output. In feedback control system, output is function of reference and output. So friends, you can see the block diagram of feedback control system here. This is input, this is output, GS is feedback forward gain, and HS is feedback gain. You can see that output is connected in the feedback form of output is connected to input, and here output is depend on reference present input and previous output. So we can say that in feedback control system, output function, the output of feedback control system must be function of reference and output. Reference means input and output. So friends, remaining questions we will cover in next part. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.